Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Let's see what's in this here box. Alright, pretty good size one today. What this is, I'll probably have to move the camera angle from what we're used to here. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll set it right down here and we'll do it like this. So what I did is bought in with a company called FLF, Finish Line Factory. If you want to look those guys up, they have fittings, they've got well, we'll just go through some of the stuff they got, and I got some flavor bears. They sent those in the box. Thank you guys, FLF. Love it. All right, so they have hose couplings for like your turbo lines. I end up getting several. I'm actually a wholesale distributor for these guys now, so if there's anything in the line that you see a Finish Line Factory, I'll be your contact if you're in my area, or you don't have to be in my area. I can have it drop shipped to you, or I'll probably have it on the Chesser Motorsports eBay. So I've already spoke with them, they're good with that. So there is the MSRP on those is that consistent, so you're not going to find one guy selling them way cheaper than the other. I've talked with these guys and they try to keep their prices pretty close to parallel across the board. So we'll see how that goes, but so far so good. Super nice people. I did buy several couplings, and these aren't super heavy duty thick ones. They're actually fairly flexible, they're not as rigid as a lot I've seen or dealt with. They feel pretty good. They're not super just hard to flex, so we'll see how I don't know if they'll take a lot of boost, and they may. I'll have to speak with them, and these are good for like air intakes and stuff, best I can tell. I don't know about turbos. I'll talk to them. I'm actually curious, I hadn't had the discussion. I've not had them in my hand to see how they feel, but they're not as rigid as a lot of your turbo couplings I've dealt with. They have double fuel pump hanger, so that's a bracket for a dual fuel pump. And I'm not going to go through all the individual stuff because I bought quite a bit. They've got a heat cover for like hoses. You can cut it to fit, so slip it over a hose that may run somewhere. Around some exhaust pipe or something of that nature, around some headers or something. So you slip this over like a clutch line, brake line, some wiring even, but it's just heat coated, so something you'd run inside that, so it's keep from something getting burned up. They have a single fuel pump hanger, some more of the hose wrap, couplings. I bought quite a few fittings. So these are going to be your fittings like, well, I've got little hangers, and there's going to be some plumbing fittings for fuel lines, turbo lines, quite a bit of banjo fittings, some bulkhead fittings, some adapters. That's an adapter, a Y, some oil drain plugs. They have that. They've got just tons of fittings and all kinds of stuff. I did get two of the single hanger fuel pumps, or fuel pump hangers rather. I did get some tools. I got the aluminum deals that go on a vise to keep from scratching up your parts. I got some more clamps, some heat wrap. I didn't get the, which I realized this just now, I didn't get the metal zip ties that they use on these. That's actually feels pretty solid actually. I like the wrap, feels good. More hangers. I got some AN wrenches, some more AN wrenches, the vise, jaws for the vise, 2 sets of those. Are there, oh, there's one side or something maybe. Maybe I got 3 sets or 4 sets. I don't know what all I got. I ordered a bunch of stuff. So yeah, it may be, yeah, the tool vise. So I might have got, I don't know if that's 4 or if that's 2 sets. But I'll check into them. It looks like it might be, actually I might have got 4 of them. So that's possible. But I just ordered some random inventory. There's nothing in particular I really needed. And I got some more bears. And I got company. And then I got my banners. So we're now a wholesale distributor for Finish Line Factory. And the quality looks great. Alright, so it's official. We are a wholesale distributor for Finish Line Factory. We are an authorized dealer. And they're going to carry tons of fittings. I mean, they have... Alright, so it's official. We are a wholesale distributor for Finish Line Factory. We are an authorized dealer. And they're going to carry tons of fittings. I mean, they have quite a variety of fittings. So we have some clamps, got drain plugs for like your oil, some T's, some Y's. I think this is a 12 AN. Got the turbo, that's a drain line. Yeah, drain line for turbo. The dual fuel pumps, bulkhead fittings where you go through like your firewalls and stuff. Just an assortment of everything. The jaws that go on, like if you're doing AN fittings or something, you're tightening something up, that goes on your vise. Some Y's for any kind of, that works for nitrous or fuel or anything. And so couplings, clamps, a little bit of everything. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. We did the what's in the box. Again, we are an authorized dealer. It's official for some great fittings. I mean, these things, I've been looking at them, just everything's perfect. Yeah, Finish Line Factory guys, you knocked it out of the park. Shout out to you guys. Hey, thanks for you guys letting me get in on some of your products. I like it. I've been going through some stuff. I've been kind of comparing, you know, some of the other fittings, other brands that I have. Yeah, there's no complaints. Quality's there. They knocked it out of the park, guys. So if you want to pick up some Finish Line Factory, if you want to get on the website, they've got a ton of stuff, because it's hard for me to sit and think about what all they've actually got. They have an assortment of AN lines, AN fittings. They've got, if you want to do a hydro e-brake yourself, you want to set that up, they got all the fittings, the lines. You may have to assemble it. I think they even offer a service where they assemble them. If you give them the measurements and all that for a fee, they can actually assemble all your lines for you. So it may come out cheaper if you do that and want to do an e-brake or a fuel line. If you want to do your hydro e-brake line, I think they can put that together for you. And a header wrap, several just items that you're gonna love. And like I say, visually from looking at these fittings, I do have some other brands, some top of the line brands, and these are spot on as far as equivalent. The quality is there. Yeah, you can't go wrong with these guys. And we are an authorized dealer, Finish Line Factory. Check them out. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you will, smash that subscribe, man. We want you to get on that subscribe, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Tell us what you think. If you like these fittings, if you want to test some, try some, give us a shout. You know, we'll let you know what we think of them. If you want to buy some of them from us and give us some feedback there, let us know what you think. They're fair priced. We're actually going to sell them on eBay. I can sell them directly to you. You just have to get in contact with me. But on the Chesser Motorsports on eBay, you can just click, boom, buy it. I'll have it on the way to you. Yeah, man, I can't stress enough how nice these parts are, how the quality's there. It really is. These guys are a force to be reckoned with when it comes to the fittings and the products they offer. Yeah, it's just good stuff. So, all right, guys, add us on Instagram, Chesser Enterprises, Chesser Motorsports, Chesser Drifting, all those platforms. Hang in there with us, guys. We appreciate it. We're doing big stuff every day. We got a lot more coming, a lot more things that are happening, and we're growing every day. All right, thanks, guys.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling I'm feeling high.